Oh, she's cute but a psycho, a little bit psycho. And now she's screaming, mama, mama, mama. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another haul, collective haul, Christmas haul, whatever you'd like to call it. I have actually got a lot more than this to show you, but it's all presents and I kind of don't want to haul it because there is just so much this year. I've been in a very weird personal circumstance and it's kind of paid off in a way. So this Christmas has been a very big one, present wise for family and friends. So I've gone a little bit ham this year. Anyway, I went to Swindon Designer Outlet the other day with my mum, on Saturday actually, and although I was there Christmas shopping mostly, I did get a few little bits for myself and I thought that you guys would like to see it as you usually like my haul videos. So the first thing I got is actually from the pound shop, and these are ever so cute. You would not know that these are like literally paper chase, but they were from the pound shop. It's a pack of thank you cards, so there's 2 packs and they both come with 10 cards in them. I just thought they were ever so cute. This one's very like Kate's, they're actually both very like Kate Spade to be honest, and like I said, these were £1 each. They look great and you can't really go wrong. So these are in the Christmas section in the pound shop, obviously as like thank you cards for Christmas, but I will keep these for just general thank you cards. I got a pack in Target and I've actually nearly run out of them. I just couldn't really pick, and the thing was I picked these ones up first and then I went in the pound shop and forgot I picked them up, so I picked these up, but thankfully there was 2 different patterns, so it's a win-win, it's fine. Randomly next, I went in New Look when we went to the mall on Saturday. So we went to Swindon Designer Outlet, then in Bristol we went to the mall in Cribbs Causeway. And I picked up these New Look shoes. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see them. Basically, they're wedgie shoes. I know I'm wearing black and it's not really easy to see, but they're wedgie shoes that then strap around the ankle. And yeah, they just look really good. They're wide fit, and when I go out in town, I usually always wear like a heel, but I need to wear a chunky and lower heel because obviously lots of walking, out all night. So I thought these would be ideal because I do not have anything like these, and they were reduced from £27.99 to £13.99, so definitely worth it, and they're black so they'll go with absolutely everything. Oh my goodness, so when I was in Swindon Outlet, I don't know if any of you guys, it's called MacArthur Glen Outlet as well, I don't know who knows it or what, but there's a new shop there called Neon Sheep, I think it's called Neon Sheep, and it's a bit like a Tiger slash paper chase slash, I don't really know, it's pretty crazy. It's like got neon sheep all over the ceiling. It's really interesting, and they do really quirky little things. Like my mum got like a light up neon flamingo thing, and I seen these pajamas and I could not resist them. Literally, look at these. You can't even get the full concept, but basically these were down to, because it's the outlet, they were at they're meant to be £15, but I had them for £10.50. So it's a pair of pajamas. The bottoms are like all avocados. I love avocados. Are little avocados, and then the top says, what does it say? Oh, let's avocado, and it's got the 2 avocados on the top. I just thought that was really cute. Couldn't quite resist it. But these were the last pair as well, and they were in a size medium, so I was like, sold, want, now, please, thank you. Next thing I got is a little pair of gloves. I have been needing gloves. Unfortunately, these are only from B&M Bargains. These were literally like £3.99 or £2.99 each, but they do not have, I don't think they're sensitive to the phone, touch sensitive, but these were really nice and they'll do the job for now. This is really soft fur, and actually they're just perfect anyway. I don't usually wear gloves. There's no point in investing in a ton of money in them because I rarely wear them, but it's always good to have a pair sitting around for when you go out on a walk or whatever. And I have really bad circulation on my fingers, so I really should wear gloves more, but they're super soft. And this is from B&M, like I said, B&M Homes, or no, these were from Home Bargains, sorry, not B&M, Home Bargains. The next thing as well, in Swindon, they have the Este Lauder cosmetic company shop, and I've hauled many things from them before, and I actually bought quite a lot in there, but it's all Christmas presents, so I didn't really want to show it. But I did get a backup of my favourite eye cream, which is the Este Lauder just day wear eye cream, and this is usually £29.50 in the counters, but there it was £22.25, and I think there was an additional 25% off skincare, so this is always good to have as a backup. I've still got like pretty much a full one, but I just knew that I had to grab this because I'm always going to need eye cream, and I use quite a lot of eye cream, so got that, nice and easy, beautiful. I then went in the what's it called shop, the beauty outlet shop that they've got in Swindon, and basically it sells loads of different brands. So it had like Cover FX, NYX, W7, Maybelline, L'Oreal. It had all like the drugstore brands. So I just picked up a couple of things in there. From W7 I got the Power Pads, and this is obviously a knockoff of the Beauty Blender Blotterazzi, I think it's called. I love the Blotterazzi, I actually have it, but I just seen these and I was like, they were literally $1.99, so I thought you can't go wrong with that. I've got the container, they literally look identical, so when you take them out of the packaging they're not going to be any different, so hopefully they absorb just as well. I'm sure they will. And then also I'm starting up my freelance business again, so I do need some little more beauty blenders, and I usually will always buy the original beauty blender. However, for the little mini ones I thought I'd give these ones a go. They were $2.99 as well. And I can just use these for my clients. I don't know how good they are, I'm not sure, but for $2.99 I was willing to find out. Also from the beauty outlet store, I managed to get, is there somebody in the window? My mum and dad are home, I thought they were in the window. I also got some of my favourite press-on nails. I rarely kind of wear press-on nails just because they don't last on me. I've got extremely oily nails, so they only last with shellac and like properly professional stuff. But House of Holland I find is the one that's gonna last if they're gonna last. These were down to $3.99. I'm sure the retail price is around $7.99 because I usually get them in Boots. But my mum actually seen these ones and thought they were really good. But this I thought was really good for Christmas if I don't get my nails done. So they're just little plaid nails like that. They're always a little bit too long for me as well, but I thought for, you know, $3.99 I'm sure I can keep these and I'll probably wear them for Christmas at some point. And then the other ones I got are these here, which are like a burger, like fast food nails. It's so cute. They are actually adorable. So I don't know when I'm going to wear those, but I just thought that they were real cute. So got those two, and like I said, they were $3.99 each, so there we go. I don't even know why I put this in here. I got loads of really boring stuff. I've been doing a lot of eBay sales recently because I'm trying to declutter. So I'll leave my eBay link down below if you want to go. I don't know if you can follow eBay links, but whenever I usually post something I might put it on my Instagram story, so just make sure you're like there. But I just get some mailing bags for when I sell stuff on eBay, and quite a lot more mailing bags. I get these from the pound shop. They're brilliant. They do the job. They're perfect. Also in Home Bargains, or B&M, one of them, Home Bargains I think, they're doing these really beautiful photo frames. These are $1.99, so this is the rose gold one. They do it in silver as well. I've already got one silver one for my room, so I thought I'd pick up another rose gold one for my room. Also, I've already got one of these as a Christmas present that I put a photo in as well. These are amazing quality. I always find that photo frames just tend to be a little bit more expensive, like in Home Sense where you can get them. Like I bought a photo frame, they was like $5.99 for my nan to put a picture in, and it was really small. It was smaller than this, and like I just think that $1.99 is amazing, and the glitter doesn't come off either, so it's not like a really cheap annoying one. It's a really nice frame, and the twinkle is beautiful. Like I don't even know if the camera's doing it justice, but thought I couldn't go wrong with that, so I got a photo frame. Oh yeah, and from the beauty outlet store, this is probably my favourite thing I literally got. This is a Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil, and this is in the shade Mint Julep. I literally remember this when I was watching one of Ciao Bella's videos, makeup videos, back in the day, and I mean when she was like literally 20, whatever, 20, like she was my age, whatever. I remember watching this, and she used this in her waterline and it looked amazing. And I was in Malaysia at the time and we couldn't get Stila pretty much, oh no we could, that's right, sorry, we could get it in Sephora, but this was literally in Sephora for, I don't know, because it's imported as well, like in Malaysia the Sephora prices are quite expensive, so this would have been about £20, and for somebody who, I was like 15, 16 at the time, that was a lot of money. And this was literally in the beauty outlet store for $3.99, so I was like, finally I'm going to get it, I'm gonna give it a go. And it's, you know, it's the proper Stila brand. They still sell this in Marks and Spencer's here, and I'm sure this retails for at least £12, so I was winning. Then the last thing I got, I guess it's kind of boring for some people, it depends. I got a couple of pairs of jeans in the Guess outlet, sorry. And these are low-rise jeans, so low-rise are coming back in again. These were amazing deals. These are usually £75, reduced to 45, then reduced to 29. How beautiful are these? They're just standard jeans, little zips at the bottom, but I really like them. So they're £29. They got the little Guess thing on the pocket. I just like my jeans, and I know low rise are coming back in again, so I thought I would grab those. And I also got this pair here. These are more distressed. They're kind of a little bit more like acid washy, but still maintaining the dark. But again, low rise as you can see. And these were meant to be, again, £75, reduced to 45, reduced to £19. I just love my jeans. You can't go wrong with jeans. Get a good pair of quality jeans and you are sorted. For my little mini haul, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you do. Leave a comment down below of what you are getting for this Christmas or what you think you're going to get other people. Has this given you any ideas? Do let me know. I love hearing everything down in the comments. If you haven't seen it already, a previous video, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you guys all very, very shortly. Stay beautiful. Ciao.